Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about how Dodge Avenger stop taking the acceleration and driving in the limp mode. So this is the symptom of the problem. The car is not letting you to start smoothly.
Foot on the pedal. Just not trying to go with nothing.
Let's scan it quickly and let's see what's the cause of this problem. So the problem is crankshaft position sensor, and the sensor is located all the way down on the right hand side of the engine. So this is a 2.4 liter engine, inline 4, and the position of the sensor is here. You go, can you see it? That's the wire. So you need to put the jack and jack stand. You need to raise the car with the jack stand, and you need to use a 10mm bolt. And this is the sensor location, and just take off the sensor by unbolting the 10mm. And this is the sensor. Clean the plug with a wire brush and make. And I bought the new sensor from Orales. I guess I paid $36 for that, and this is how it looks like. Connect the sensor with the sensor wire. Make sure you clean the sensor jack with a wired brush and some sort of brake cleaner and make it dry. And here you go, you're putting back the sensor and you will get the click sound. Yes. And then go back to underneath of the car again, and you need to put the sensor back on that hole on the left side corner, you can see. And here you go, the same 10mm bolt, you just bolt it down, and it's all ready. Okay, let's try to start once again, and we need to clear the codes, resetting the codes, and we will start again. Let's see how it goes. And the moment of truth. This is how we are resetting the code in the fixed app. And here you go, there is no check engine light left. Yes, and now I can accelerate it. It's taking acceleration and it will drive like no. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.